Morning student, I am Supriya, B.Ed faculty, Jamshedpur Women's College. Today I will go to teach you about RTE 2009, which comes under semester 4, Gender, School and Society. Paper 6, Paper 6, Gender, School and Society. RTE. It is Right of Children to Free and Compulsory Education Act 2009. It was enacted by Parliament of India, enacted on 4th August 2009. This described the modalities of the importance of free and compulsory education for children between age of 6 to 14 years in India under Article 21A of Indian Constitution. India became one of the 135 countries to make education as fundamental right of every children when this act was enforced from 1st April 2010. This free and compulsory means that no children other than a child who has been admitted by his or her parents to a school which is not supported by the appropriate government shall be liable to pay any kind of fees or charges or expenses which may prevent him or her from pursuing and completing elementary education. Compulsory education cast an obligation on the appropriate government and local authorities to provide and ensure admission, attendance and completion of elementary education by all children in the age group of 6 to 14. With this, India has moved forward to a right-based framework that casts a legal obligation on the central and state government to implement this fundamental child right as enshrined in the Article 21A of the Constitution. In accordance with the provision of the RTE Act 17, this right of children are implemented in contributing to development of India. Background for this RTE 2009. Our India is based on agricultural, but the villages were not developed during British rule before India became independent country. Villages had no proper road, schools, study material. Villagers were dependent on rains and crops for survival. Education was not easily available to poor and needy boys and girls. One or two schools used to for used to for many villages. It was not possible for them to walk 5 to 10 kilometers to reach school. No road, bridges to cross the river, big drains, etc. Also, it was not possible for children to study without food and good drinking water. This RTE 2009 will provide power to central government and state government to raise fund for making primary and elementary school in villages. Also, good approach roads up to school for age group of 6 to 14 years. Government has power to appoint teachers for school. This RTE 2009 is for both gender, boys and girls. Till now, this RTE has increased the ratio of child education of India. Even remote village children, boys and girls, they get midday meal, uniforms, books, cycle. Child literacy is growing high and high. Thank you.